Hey guys, it's Chris with Systainer Systems, and today I'd like to share with you a bit about the organizer solutions. This is an M footprint organizer. What you'll notice is that it has a clear top. More importantly, inside the box, we have a lot of smaller boxes. These smaller boxes come in 7 different sizes. We have a 2x2, a 2x4 inch, a 4x4, a 4x6, a 6x6, a 6x12, and a 4x14. What is cool about these boxes, inside the organizer, there's this grid pattern. The same pattern is on the bottom of the boxes. So if I place a box inside, close the lid, it also locks in from the top and it does not move. We have these in the M footprint. We also have the wider version in the L footprint over here. You can buy the Systainer empty and then choose the boxes that you need. For both the M and the L footprint, we sell a version that has the bigger boxes and then a version that has the smaller boxes. And just to give you an example, here I have 20 or so different compartments to house all the different wire nuts. These are a great solution. They're fairly short, 89 millimeters tall. Of course, they interface with all the rest of the portfolio, and it's a good way to keep all your small parts organized. Thank you and have a great day.